Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another original knot. This is going to be the winner's circle knot. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. Come over, put in a dimple. We'll bring this skinny end over to the center. We're going to come up and over like this right here. All right, so what I'm now going to do is I'm now going to put my finger here in the center, and I'm going to bring this tie around that right there. So we have that. I'm going to come up and under like this. So we have this right here. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to come around. I'm going to fold this in half. I'm going to come around underneath here. I'm going to fold it in half and go and do the same thing that I just did, but it's with the tie folded in half. So a little tricky for sure. I'm going to do that 2 times. Come back up and over like that. So we have this so far. Then I'm going to do a wreath. And a wreath. I put my collar down. There you have it. Oh, no, time, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made.